guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something different. A while ago I had did a video on this portable nail drill, and I had ended up deleting it off my channel because they said I had some copyright things on the music, so whatever background music choice I had, it was saying it was like I couldn't use the music, so I ended up deleting it, and then I didn't have the video on my computer saved like I thought, so I lost the video completely. But I decided to go ahead and do another one. I've actually used it a lot more now. When I first did that review, it was my main drill that I was using. Now I'm using something a little different, but I still like this drill. So this drill, like, it's pink, has a nice whatever handpiece or whatever. It detaches. I haven't taken this out for a while, but yeah, you could just remove it, and this is what it looks like inside. So if you have like another handpiece or drill or whatever like that, you could probably fit it in here. I actually bought this drill just because of this, the display screen. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it or not, but when you cut it on, it has the numbers, and it goes from like 0, but you can't use it at 0. It goes from 0 all the way to 25. I've never used it at 25. It vibrates a lot actually when you get too high. I usually probably about a 14 and under or whatever. But 3 is what you would use it at to prep the nail. It won't go under 3. This drill does do good with nail prep or whatever. On the side it does have like the reverse and forward, so once you hit it, just right now it's at a 3, if you can hear it, and then this is it at a 25. Obviously I wouldn't use it at a 25, but if you had your hand on it, it didn't even rip my glove. So yeah, I like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this drill bit. It takes standard size drill bits, so don't get those really big wide ones, they won't fit. You had to get the regular normal size. This is a coarse safety bit that I'm going to use just to show you guys how good it works to remove acrylic. Now for me, I didn't like this drill as much to remove acrylic. I liked it more for like nail prep and just regular nail services. But for removing like acrylic, I'm gonna build this up with some acrylic, and then I'm going to try to file it down. So I'm gonna put some colored acrylic on this right now. So I think I'm gonna use, let's see, what color do I want? I think I'm gonna use a glittery one. So I have where is it? I have a Kiara Sky one that I think I want to use. Okay, somebody commented on one of my videos asking me what was the name of this one, and this is it right here. So if you're watching this video, it's D437, time for a selfie. Now don't mind this. When I got this, I had it packed in my suitcase, and I think the resin exploded, and then it just ruined all the stuff I got. So but needless to say, it still works well. So I'm gonna grab my acrylic brush real quick, and this is the acrylic brush I'm using. I got this acrylic brush off Amazon. I always get different acrylic brushes a lot because sometimes like I drop them on the floor, and I don't like to really reuse them on people's nails. So you will probably see me have lots of different ones. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab me a dampened dish or whatever. Okay, I'm going to, okay, so I'm just going to cover that. I'm gonna put a clear coat on this too. So I'm gonna take more. I didn't take enough. So yeah, also this video, so I'm doing this review for the drill, but I'm also going to be talking about our giveaway. I'm going to do the giveaway on this video as well. So our 1K giveaway, I'm super excited to do it. A couple videos back, I had said that I was postponing it just because I couldn't get the stuff, and ordering it would take a lot of time to get it because how everything's been going on. But I decided that I was going to do it a different way, which would make it a lot easier on me. So I'm going to do a giveaway, and I'm going to be sending someone a nail art kit off of Amazon. So instead of ordering stuff and sending it to me to resend to you, I'm just going to directly send it to you, and it's going to make things so much easier, and then I could get this giveaway done. So I'm super excited to do that. So for the giveaway, it's going to be super easy. There's just 3 rules, guys. Number 1, you have to be a subscriber, obviously. Number 2, follow my Instagram at Tootie's Nails. And number 3, comment below with your Instagram name. And that's how I know you're entered into the giveaway. I'm going to leave this giveaway open until next Thursday. Next Friday, I will announce the winner. I'm just going to put everybody's name in a bowl, and I'm going to do a drawing. I'll record it and post it, and then the winner will have 3 days to get back to me. So that's pretty much it, you guys, for the giveaway. Hope you guys all win. Have fun entering. I'm super excited to do it. So yeah, 1K giveaway. All right, you guys. So as you can see, if you have any questions about the giveaway, you can comment below, but I'll leave all the instructions in the description box. Just 3 rules, super easy, super simple. All right. So as you guys can see, I packed this down with this glitter. And glitter, a lot of times for me, is hard to drill through. But this color is so pretty. Oops. But yeah, you can see it's pretty. It's not super thin. It's pretty thick. I did that on purpose so that we could get a real feel for how this drill works for filing down acrylic. Oops. All right, so I'm gonna grab my clear acrylic and I'm gonna encapsulate it. So let's see. I'm not gonna be like filing or shaping this nail. I'm basically just trying to show you guys how good the drill is. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it. It's obviously more affordable than most drills. I can't remember how much I spent for it. Oh, I think I spent like $70 or something for it. I thought it was a good deal. I remember I went to like a nail show and it was like the same exact one was like $200 at the nail show. And I was like, I almost bought it there, but then I was like, no, I'll wait. That's gonna, for me at the time, it was like pretty expensive. So I was like, no, I'll wait and just keep looking around. And I went to eBay and I looked on there and it was on there. So I was like, this is literally the exact same drill. I'm buying this one. So I went ahead and bought that one. And yeah, I used it for a while. So I didn't like it for filing acrylic that much because it would get hot really fast. So either it was me or I was just like pressing too hard, causing too much friction or whatever. Other people, they seem to like this one, but I mean, I like it, but for falling down acrylic, there's like better drills for that. But anyway, I'm just gonna put this away. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna show you some other features. So like I said, this nail drill is portable, so you have to charge it up. So you have to make sure it's charged. So these bars down here, as you can see, it's like it's at 3. It was at 4, but yeah. So full 4 is full, and this is you got enough time to do a few sets. But I actually used this drill recently. I worked for like 6 hours. I still didn't have to recharge it. Well, that was like a month or two ago. But anyway, I went and visited some family and I took this and I did their nails. But yeah, so it comes with the charger piece. You can't use it while it's charging, I don't think. And this is a charger that it came with. As you can see, if you live in the US or Canada, this is not gonna work. So they send like an adapter piece that you can just like stick over so you can plug in your wall. For some reason, I can't find it, but I know it's somewhere around here in my desk. You guys see my desk is crazy, but it also comes with this pouch. So this is like it's like a hip piece. You can wrap it around you. If you don't want it all over your desk, you could just wrap it around. And you can have it on your hip. You put the drill pin through this part, and then you put the drill right there, and then you tuck it in here. So I like this too, especially if you have like limited space when you're at your family's house. You guys are using like a TV table or something to do your nails or whatever. Or you don't have a table at all, then you're just doing it. Let me see if this is dry. Almost dry. So yeah, last time I did this, I didn't do this. I didn't show this. I just like did the sand band, and, you know, it's all good for that. It's all good for nail prep and everything like that. So I'm just gonna let this finish drying, and then I'll be back to show you guys how it works. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it on. Let me see. Alright, so let's see. Let me do it this way. Okay. So it's set at a, okay, it's set at a, well, it was at a 15. I'm gonna leave it at 14. But I'm actually gonna go really high and see how it goes. I'm gonna go to 20. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go to number 20. And then it's gonna be a little loud, but also this is a coarse safety bit, if you're wondering. So I would never push down like that on an actual person's nails just because it gets hot so fast. But yeah, I got this set all the way high and I'm pushing down pretty good. Yeah. See how long it takes to remove this. Oops. The biggest thing for me, I don't know if you can hear me, but when drilling is making sure I don't burn my client's nails, because that's not fun. And it's easier when you do it on yourself because you can actually feel when it's warming up. But when you're doing it on other people, it's harder. So I would say if you're not doing a lot of colored acrylic sets, or if you're not drilling them off, this is probably a good drill for you. But if you have to drill a lot, well, you could take your time, I guess. But for me, it's better to be quicker. Doing the tip is easier because they don't feel the heat as much. And yeah, I'm just imagining that the nail tip is like my clear base. So this is where we're at so far. I think you guys kind of got the idea. If you guys have any questions about this drill, you can comment below as well. Like I said, for the giveaway, I wish you guys all luck. Comment below your Instagram name, be a subscriber, And follow my Instagram at Tootie's Nails. I'm gonna leave all that in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review on this drill. If you, like I said, if you have some questions, let me know. I will leave a link in the description if you want to buy it. This video is not sponsored, obviously. I just wanted to do this my own personal self. So if you guys enjoyed this, like this video, and I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys next Friday to announce the winner. All right, bye.